right, boys and girls, we are going to be talking about two kinds of sentences with our lesson today. And we know that sometimes we have sentences that tell us something. And we say that that is a telling sentence or a statement. And we always begin those with a, what kind of mark is that? A period. But sometimes sentences ask questions. And we end those sentences with a question mark. Now, here is what we're going to do. We're going to look at some sentences and we're going to decide, are they telling sentences or are they asking sentences? I want us to take a look at this first sentence, and I want you to read that sentence aloud to yourself. All right, let's read it together now. This is a map of the world. Now, guys, think about it. Is that sentence telling us or is it asking us? This is a map of the world. Yes, it's telling us something, what kind of map it is, and we see that it ends with a period, and it also begins with a capital letter. So this is a telling sentence. Let's go to this one. I want you to read this sentence to yourself. All right, let's read it together. Where is the map? Where is the map? I look and I see what kind of marks at the end. This sentence is what kind of sentence? Is it telling or asking? If you said asking sentence, you're correct. Because I see a, what kind of mark? Question mark at the end. And guys, a lot of times, where is at the beginning of a lot of asking sentences. It's one of those asking words. Who, what, why, where, when. Remember, we talked about those words? All right, so where is the map? We don't know. So they're asking. All right, let's look at the next sentence. Read this sentence. The map is in my room. All right, I want you to think, is that a telling or are they asking? The map is in my room. I see a mark there. What kind of mark is that? You're right, it's a period. I know that this is a telling sentence. It's telling me where the map is. I don't have to ask. I know. It's in my room. Okay? Let's read the next sentence. All right. Who hung up the map? Who hung up the map? I want you to think, what kind of sentence is that? Well, it begins with one of those question words. Who? Oh, and I see a question mark at the end. So I know that this is an asking sentence. So guys, when you're reading these sentences, you just have to think, does the sentence tell me about someone or something? Or if you read one and you're thinking, is it asking me something? Do they want an answer back from me? Because if you read a sentence and you're thinking, they want an answer back from me, that's probably an asking sentence. They're asking you a question. Now, what I want you to do is you're going to go and you're going to look in your workbook, in your packet, and you're going to see a worksheet that says, which kind of sentence? You're going to complete that page. You're going to have to read the sentence. And if it's a telling sentence, put a period. If it's an asking sentence, put a question mark, okay? So I want you to think about this and then get someone to check it to see if you're correct. Now, and then I also want you to get on and do about 10 minutes of I Ready reading.